Weissach. The name alone is enough to cause goosebumps among car lovers. It represents the highest level of engineering artistry at Porsche and maximum performance. In the new Porsche Taycan Turbo GT with Weissach package, this top-class performance is perfected. It's not about more, but rather less. The focus of the sportiest form of the Taycan is on lightweight design. The body shell itself has been weight optimized, with aluminum used in place of some steel components, for example. In the interior, too, every gram is considered with performance in mind. Integral seats with carbon fiber shells. The rear seat has been left out, as have been the speakers in the back and the floor mats. The use of insulating material has been reduced. Even the iconic sport chrono clock has been omitted. Optimized ceramic brakes weigh 2 kilograms less than the previous type. The second tailgate has been left out. All of this saves up to 70 kilograms in weight, compared to the Taycan Turbo GT without the Weissach package. The specially developed aerodynamics package has set new standards. The fixed rear spoiler, front spoiler lip, and air fins on the aerodynamically optimized underbody ensure a downforce of up to 220 kilograms. The series standard Porsche Active Ride suspension has also been specially designed for the Taycan Turbo GT. All of this means breathtaking driving performance. The e-sports car can go from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 2.2 seconds. It has a top speed of 305 kilometers per hour. Attack mode celebrates the motorsport DNA as seen in Formula E. At the touch of a button, an additional 120 kilowatts of power is made available for 10 seconds. This allows for a total power of up to 815 kilowatts, more than 1,100 horsepower. Extraordinary numbers that are breaking records. Complete performance in the strongest production Porsche ever made, in the Taycan Turbo GT with Weissach package.
Whoa.